Today I'll be tasting some amazing Brazilian cachaça. Hi guys, my name is Isis from Miami to the world. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be tasting some amazing Brazilian cachaça. Actually, if it's amazing, I will tell you in the end of this tasting, but I believe it will be amazing because I read some good things on the website of this cachaça. Recently, I just got a present of these 3 cachaças and I was looking forward already for some time to taste these cachaças. They have 7 products in their range, I guess. Yeah, I think there are 7 cachaças in their portfolio. But I got these 3 and I'm really impatient to taste them and to share my insights and my opinion with you. Just to know, cachaça is very similar drink to rum, and rum is very well known in the world. I believe cachaça is much less known, but it doesn't make this drink less interesting and less amazing. And as I love cane spirits, so cachaça is on my interest as well. And the only difference what differentiates cachaça and rum is that cachaça is made from pure sugarcane juices and rum is made from a product of making sugar from sugarcane juice called molasses. Of course, it might be different rum styles and different methods, and nowadays producers make everything much different, but mostly that's the difference, because mostly rum is made from molasses and cachaça is made from sugarcane juice straight. And of course, cachaça can be only from Brazil. It's like a cognac, like a tequila, like a champagne. But this is just a restriction, not on a production. And production is molasses or sugar cane juice. And even those of you who don't know cachaça or who have never heard this word, you probably heard a cocktail caipirinha, because caipirinha is a flagman cocktail for cachaça and it's very well known, it's very refreshing, very good summer cocktail, and we will be doing those cocktails. I'll show you amazing ways how to make cachaça as well. Just subscribe my channel and stay tuned, and we will discover many interesting cocktails together using this cachaça as well. And now, going straight to this particular cachaça, which is called Avua. It's very difficult for me to pronounce. I had to practice a bit. It's simple, it's just 4 letters, but it's like Avua. Sounds exotic, sounds tropic for me, so it's already a very good sign. And what I love about this company is that it's sustainable. It's family-owned business. They make their cachaça already for more than 50 years, and they really don't use any pesticides to grow sugar canes. So their production is very clean, and I believe it's very tasty as well. I don't want this to sound as an advertisement, because I'm not doing advertisement. I got this present and I really want to make a tasting and tell you my pure opinion, not influenced by anything. Nobody's paying me for this. I just get presents, but getting presents doesn't mean I have to tell only good words about that. But I checked the website and of course I was looking things what I like, and there is not very difficult to look, because as I love sustainability, as I love good quality ingredients into products, so I found that right away. So it caught my attention, and that's what I preach, and that's what I pitch, and that's what I like. If I won't like something about taste, or if I won't like something about company, I would definitely tell you, because I'm not doing any ads. I'm just doing my opinion, and I'm really happy and I'm really enjoying that I'm really getting to find a good product on market. So enough of these talks, let's go to the tasting. First, our cachaça today is Avua Prata. Prata, it's not aged at all, it's only rested in steel barrels, and that's it. So technically they distill it, they put them in the barrels, the metal ones, and let it stay and rest there for some time, so it doesn't get any influence from wood and nothing. So it's pure, it's wild. That's what I'm saying, like, you know, when you put spirit in a barrel, so it loses its wilderness and it gets more our mature elements into it. It's how I see it, the spirit. It's nothing bad, it's just different flavors and different maturity of the spirit, like a person, you know. They are pot still distilling these spirits and they are doing everything by hand. It's at least as they say. And it's always, when I read these good words on websites of product, I always want to believe that, because you know, if you could find out that it's not true later, so that disappointment could be much bigger than just to know from the beginning. So Prata, pure distilled sugar cane juice spirit in my hands. Oh, sweet smell. That's what I like about cachaça, and that's why I like cachaça even more than rum. It's on smell. It's definitely, because cachaça has this specific particular smell that only cachaça could have, and I love it. It's so nice. It's like you could smell it like a perfume. Wow, it's amazing, because some spirits has this spirit coming to your nose and everywhere. It's not bad, it's just how those spirits are. For example, vodka. For me, it's quite hard to smell vodka because it really gets me like that. I'm not saying that vodka is a bad drink. It's very good in cocktails, but you know, you have to work with it. And cachaça, you just can't smell it like a perfume. Oh, I feel bananas as well. Wow, I love bananas. And it's 42 ABV, so it's quite strong. Let's give it a taste. A different smell from a wider neck. Now a little bit more spirit forwarded smell, aroma gets through, but it's still very mellow and very sweet and very nice. And of course, it's because it's Avua Cachaca and because it's cachaça in general, because it's what cachaça category spirit has an amazing, so this smell and aroma. It's amazing, it's amazing. Let's give it a taste. It's, when you smell it, you're just expecting something very soft to come to you, like a taste, like a marshmallow, like amazing. Let's taste it. Very nice, mellow. The sweetness, I love the sweetness from cachaça. It's not like some sweet liqueur, but it's how sugar cane juice works in spirit. Aroma is the best. It's very flavorful. It's a lot of flavor inside it. I feel bananas, I feel sweetness. Bananas really got through, and now when it's in my head, so it's the most forwarded flavor in this cachaça. And it's not like a fresh banana, it's more like a dried banana, but dried like a small baby bananas when you dry them. It's not like those chips, it's like small baby when you have that and dried. Very nice. I used to buy them in Trader Joe's, but now we said that it's seasonal, we're not having so. But now I know how to have them. I can just pour for me some cachaça or make a caipirinha maybe. I'll make caipirinha as well in this channel and still enjoy those baby bananas flavor. Second cachaça to taste, it's our Amburana. And this cachaça is already aged in wood barrels. And it's called Amburana because, for those who don't know, and I didn't know myself, I had to check, Amburana is a tree, and that's why this cachaça is called Amburana, because it's aged in Amburana wood barrels for some time. So we're going to get some more woody and some more heavy flavors in this cachaça compared to the Prata one. That's what I believe. Let's see, maybe I'm not right. Oh, different smell. It's still the sweetness, but it's not bananas anymore. It's maybe it's cinnamon. Okay, let's pour. Let's wash our palate of taste. It's yellowish, of course. It's aged. It should be like that. It's 40 ABV, so it's a bit weaker than the Prata one. It's very nice and very soft smell, and that's what I like. It's definitely not all categories of spirits that you can just smell like that. And cachaça is definitely one of those that are very flavorable and that are very like a perfumable. I don't know if there's such word in English. I just created it. It's kind of perfume. It's like a lot of different flavors blended together. Let's taste. It's different. It's definitely more matured. I feel wood, but it's still very fresh. It's not heavy. It's not heavy like whiskey. It's still very fresh and very light, but with some hint of wood, and it's not so wild as the Prata one already. But because, as I told you before, when you age drinks, they lose that wilderness, they get more maturity, but it's still very nice, very aromatic, very flavorable. I can't wait to make some caipirinhas with these cachacas, because I believe that the drink on its own should taste good, and another thing is to make a cocktail with a drink, and in cocktail spirits even unfolds much more. So that's what I like about good spirits and about good cocktails, that matches the spirit. And the first cachaça today is going to be our Balsamo. And our Balsamo, it's also aged in Balsamo wood, that's why it's called like that, up to 2 years. So it's like Amburana. It's also aged, just as going to have a bit different flavor. It's what should be, because it's made a bit different. Let's smell it from the neck at first. I think it's even less sweetness, but it still has this cachaça sweetness that I love. Let's do it like that. Smell 1 to hour. Oh yeah, when you smell them like that, you really see quite big difference. This one is sweeter, this one is more woodier smell. More woodier, and there is something else, but I don't know. It doesn't pop up any word to my head, but there is some other flavor. Let's taste. It's even a bit darker, 1-2 tones. This one is sweeter, more woodier. It's very mellow, very light as well. 40 ABV. Yeah, Balsamo is more woodier. It seems that it's a bit more mature than Amburana, but it's still fresh. It's not heavy as whiskey. It still didn't cross that level when it gets to be already a heavy, very matured, very oaky or very woody drink. It's still very fresh, and it still could be used in caipirinhas. Definitely, it's still gonna give that freshness. That's I believe. I didn't try yet, but I believe it's still gonna give this freshness, and it's still gonna give this deeper taste of the drink. It's very nice. It's very nice. I never had a cachaça tasting like that before. I used cachaça. I like the smell. I like caipirinha, but I was never looking much deeper in cachaça. But I believe I will be, because it's very interesting drink, and as I love rum, so cachaça is probably going to take over rum in my life, because after tasting these amazing cachaças, now I could say it we are proud, because at first I was believing it's going to be like that, and now I'm really sure that our cachaça is really amazing, and I tasted only 3 of 7 of their products and I am already loving it. And as I say, it's not any ad or something. If it was a shitty drink, I would tell that, and I'll tell that in my future videos. Even somebody sends me a present or pays me, maybe, I don't know. I won't be telling lies. The only thing that you can get by paying me is just to get on my video, but opinion is going to be the true opinion always. And I'm always happy to discover amazing products, and today really my life improved because I discovered a new amazing product. And it's not just a product, I believe that I discovered a new amazing spirit category. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was informative, it was knowledgeable to you, and you got some insights and some ideas on cachaça, on this amazing spirit category. Or if you haven't tried it, or if you haven't really deeply tried it, you will be doing that, because it's really worth to do that. And I encourage you to try our cachaça, because our cachaça is really amazing. Now I can tell that from my heart. And I love this product already, and I'll be doing a lot of cocktails with it and sharing with you on this channel. So please show me some support, subscribe my channel, like this video, share with your friends, enjoy good drinks, enjoy your drink, and enjoy your life. And I'm raising this glass of our Prata cachaça, and I'll see you in next videos.